to clean your blender. Keeping your blender clean is an easy thing to do. Let me show you step by step how it is done. Firstly, make sure you've removed as much of the contents of the blender as possible. Then go ahead and add water, making sure the blades are covered. Then 1 to 2 drops of dishwashing liquid. Go ahead now and select the cleaning function if your blender has one, but if not, a high speed for 20 to 30 seconds. So this is a great way of helping break down any food that may be stuck under the blades or around the sides of the jug. Empty the water and either place the jug and the lid into the dishwasher or hand wash with warm soapy water. Be sure to dry the blender thoroughly. If washing by hand, leave the jug turned upside down on a dish rack to air dry. If you are in a hurry, dry with a clean, dry towel. Don't forget to also clean the blender base. The first step is to make sure the cord is removed from the power point. Then take a damp cloth and wipe around the tops and sides of the blender base, not forgetting the dials as well. Then take a dry cloth and wipe over any watermarks.